Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please take some seconds and hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, okay? So you can join the glowing gang. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making cucumber face cream for getting rid of sunburn and also treating scars caused by bleaching or any cream. Yes, like if you're bleaching and you have white patches on your face, if your face is not looking that smooth, if you have sunburn, please, this cucumber face cream will help a lot. It will help you to treat that, okay? So that's what we are going to be making in today's video. So if you're interested, keep watching. Let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare this treatment, you don't need much. You only need 3 ingredients, and the first ingredient is cucumber. Get cucumber, use the smallest size of your grater to grate it. So cucumber helps to hydrate the skin, and skin hydration is the key to healthy and happy skin. Cucumber also helps in treating sunburn, promote skin brightness and prevent acne. So guys, using cucumber is very good on the skin. It's very good. It helps to treat sunburn. If you have sunburn on your on the eye, you can just cut some slices of cucumber and place on it. It will help to ease irritation and soothe the skin. So cucumber helps a lot when it comes to treating sunburn and the other skin problems, okay? Go ahead and grate it. After grating it, the next thing you have to do is to get your sieve. Transfer it into the sieve, then extract the juice. So as I was saying guys, cucumber is very good to the skin. It's good when you apply it on your skin. It's also good when you eat it. When you consume it, it's very good. So if you have sunburn, don't wait until the sunburn gets worse before you do something. The first thing you can do when you start noticing sunburn on your face is just to cut some slices of cucumber and place on the places you have the sunburn. It will help to soothe those areas, okay? So the next thing to add is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to soothe sunburn also. It helps to the skin to heal. It helps to moisturize the skin. Aloe vera gel helps to fight skin causing bacteria, and it also helps to lighten blemishes on the skin. So after adding the aloe vera gel, you go ahead and mix it very well. Mix it to make sure that everything combines properly. So the next thing you have to add after that is vitamin E oil. Although this one is optional, but it's very necessary too. If you don't have it, you can just keep it, okay? If you have the capsule one, you can go ahead and use it, okay? It will still give you the same result. After adding the vitamin E oil, you go ahead and mix it very well. After mixing it, guys, you get a clean container. Transfer it into a clean container, okay? After transferring it into the container, you close it. Make sure that the container has a lid. Then you close it and put it in your fridge, okay? It can stay for 1 week or 2 weeks as far as it's in the fridge, okay guys? So this is it guys. And how do you use this? So guys, we are done with the treatment, and here I have it with me. How do you use this treatment? Go ahead and wash your face. After washing your face, take an amount of it and rub it on your face. Use this treatment every day. With consistency, you will begin to see the sunburn clearing. So go ahead and apply it all over your face. This cream here is very, very effective. After applying it, you don't need to wash it out. You just leave it on your face, okay? You can apply it in the morning and in the evening. All right guys, so this is how you can actually use cucumber face cream to treat sunburn and get rid of skin blemishes caused by bleaching or using any chemicals on your skin. So with consistency, you will begin to see results, okay? So the remaining one, you cover it and put it in the fridge. You can use this for 2 weeks before throwing it away. Okay guys, so that is it. This is how you can actually use cucumber face cream to get rid of sunburn, treat blemishes caused by bleaching or using any chemical on your skin. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.